Do you feel as flattered as I do? A Cambion came courting us. What they lack in kind-heartedness, they make up for with horns and tails. Still, don't let his bluster fool you. All that talk of desperation, it merely illustrates his own. I think he wants something from us, badly, and in that knowledge lies our opportunity. There's no such thing as an absolute certainty. Raphael is a Cambion, and what is part human is entirely fallible. By figuring out his true intentions. Fact 1, there's something very strange and very powerful about our tadpoles. Fact 2, a devil offers to take it away. What if the tadpole is what he really wants instead of the customary price that is our souls? If I'm right, there's a mighty bargain to be made. Remember his Cormyrean rhyme? Down came the claw. Perhaps we should start growing our nails.
You don't sleep well, flitting between dreams and nightmares. Maybe you wake up because you know something is wrong, or maybe you just get lucky.
Shit. No, it's not what it looks like. I swear. I wasn't going to hurt you. I just needed, well, blood.
There in the dim firelight, you see him for what he really is. A vampire, a slave to sanguine hunger.
Mistra, have mercy. What happened here?
The Pale One is dead, and for the better, given his dubious palate. An acquired taste, I imagine. By all means, lay yourself out for the next threat to feast on. I do not intend on becoming any creature's meal, vampire or otherwise.
How can I help? Let's see. I have a cat, a library, and there. Certainly. That I have a great respect for privacy, for instance, especially my own.
Stay good. Stay good. Scream all you like! Round and round and round! Listening.
Spin good.
We should probably eat him, right? Go on then! Make it good!
Spin. Spin good.
No, me, no, me, no! No, me, no, me, no!
Spin good.
Scream all you like! Look at him fly! Fly, birdie! Round and round and round. I'm a Baldur! Go on then, make it good.
Spin. Spin good.
Right?
Spin. Spin good.
You so high. Scream all you like. No, me, no, me, no. No, me, no, me, no.
Let's go.
Don't waste a step.
Have to keep going. Proceeding. I shouldn't linger.
Help me down! Help me down! Help me down!
Every step counts.
Help me down! Help me down! Help me down! What are you waiting for? Help me down! Come on, untie me! Help me down! Help me down! Come on, untie me! What are you waiting for? 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 Come on, untie me! Come on, untie me! Come on, untie me! What are you waiting for? Ignis!
Step by step.
Help me down! What are you waiting for? Help me down! Come on, untie me!
One move ahead.
What are you waiting for? Come on, untie me! Go on, cut me down! Cut me loose! Maga Kamara. Those pustulant thugs. Well, get on with it. Whatever you are. You saved me. Now you'll extort me. That's how this works, yes? Nothing. My own fault, really. I should have dropped my pack and outrun those bastards. Alas. Take my pack, if you can find it. The only reason those goblins caught me was its weight. I'll travel lightly from now on. Ignorance is alive and well, it seems. Deep gnomes aren't restricted to the Underdark, you know. I've lived in Baldur's Gate for years. I'm in search of a friend. I fear he's in trouble. See this? I gave it to him years ago before I left home. I found it around the neck of a thug in the lower city. It was speckled with blood. My friend, nowhere to be found. But I still have hope. I have reason to believe he's in the Underdark. Hopefully, I'll pick up his trail from there. I always help my friends. On that note, I bid thee farewell. If we should meet again, well, we will have met again.
Never a dull moment.